What turns fresh green mulberry leaves into a fine, nutrient-rich powder used around the world? The answer lies in a step-by-step process designed to maintain quality from start to finish. The journey begins with the careful selection of healthy, mature mulberry leaves. Only high-quality leaves are chosen to ensure consistency throughout the production process. After harvesting, the leaves are thoroughly cleaned and washed. This important step helps remove dust, dirt, and other natural impurities before processing. The cleaned leaves are then dried under controlled conditions. Proper drying helps reduce moisture while preserving the natural characteristics of the leaves. Once fully dried, the leaves are processed using advanced milling equipment. The result is a fine, uniform powder with excellent texture and consistency. The powder is then sieved to achieve a consistent particle size. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while maintaining its nutritional integrity. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. Finally, our organic mulberry leaf powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and exported worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. We are Medikonda Nutrients.